So today we have Chef Stuttering Matt. I'm gonna make something I've seen online. I'm making it different than what other people have made it. Other people would take the ramen noodles and boil it, then make a pizza out of it. I'm gonna make a pizza out of it a totally different way. I actually like the way I do it. So I just got some water, cold water, and I'll put the beef flavoring in it. Just let it sit in there. That's all you need. As long as you make it wet. Okay. Like that, put it in the middle. I'll put some cooking oil on the pan. I got my full cheese sauce. And I got my cheese. I just removed them because I forgot. You don't want these. It's better to put some sauce right here. Because you don't want it to be dry. Some sauce. Now flip it over so it won't be dry on the bottom. Now I'll just put a lot of sauce on. Make sure you get the sides so it's not dry. Now I'll put cheese on them. Coming out. Cover this up. That's about good. Now I'll put it in the oven. I already have it preheated. I still don't know what temperature to put it at. I have it at 360. It's only my second time making it. Tasted great the first time. I'll put it in for 15 minutes. I will see you in 15 minutes. It's now out from the oven. And it tastes great. Now I'm gonna tastes great.